Well, hey, welcome back, everybody. I'm looking forward to going ahead and doing more videos just like this in the days to come. It's such an exciting time in this market right now. I love markets like this. Obviously, I was doing multi-contract shorting today, no surprise, right? And so let's talk about that and let's talk about where we go from here, because now it's getting to a very key point that everybody needs to know. So back over here, like the ITP tools, we're making higher highs in price. We're making kind of lower highs in underlying instrumentation there. And so what we had a pullback. Great. Well, then we had a pullback with a big fat accumulation bar right here. Okay. Excellent. And we held key support. So the thing is, right there is that key support, these two green lines that you see that were here back several days ago. Well, what did we do? We bounced off it, but not very impressively, to say the least. And down the hatch it went here, leaving some really incredible shorting opportunities, as you guys always hear me talk about, from here to here, and then when it breaks down below there, from there to there. Now, today in particular, and this was happening like right there when I was on the screen doing a little bit of a one-on-one class with one of my guys, doing a little market review with some of my team. And basically, I got done shorting right as we were kind of approaching this area right down here. And I said, hey, look, that's it. I am done. Double Dutch done. Call me done. Baked, done, over. That's it. And sure enough, that ended up basically being more or less the bottom on the day. We kind of came down there, hit that area, pulled up, came right down there again, kind of pulled up as of the time of this video, which is about 3:25 Eastern. So the thing is, we are right there once again. We hit that area, we tested it. It closed back up above that key support area, but now we're right back down to it and hitting it again. So the buys didn't buy so great there at this point. So we are watching this 25,000 round number support level very closely. In particular, I'm kind of watching the 24,700 to this 25,200 area, because this is one big accumulation bar. But if we break through that, that could be very ugly. So the way I'm going to play this now, going into tonight and tomorrow, if we're down below 2025 and we're above 24,700, I'm going to go ahead and be looking for shorts through this area. But just like this key area here was major support, this area right here is also a key support. We want to make that resistance, okay? Make an accumulation area resistance, and then that could bode very well. I don't care whether it goes up or down, the opportunities are abound, right? So many great sell signals on ITP tools, champion trend pack tools inside of WealthCharts there. So many wonderful signals around. So it's all down to this now, 25,000 round number support, as well as these two key support levels in that same area as well. Okay, so again, below 25,000, I'm going to be to above 24,700, be looking for short-term shorts. But once we get down to that 24,700 area, I want to see what happens. Can we break through that support and turn it into resistance? Okay, so still some opportunities if we don't turn around and just open up into the overnight session and start going up. I'm not going to be looking for short-term long side trades right this moment, being down below the speed lines and things of that nature. And with all this resistance coming down on top of us right now, sell signals in the backdrop, that's going to be a lower probability trade. The trading I did earlier was higher probability trading, and I want to stick with that. So many great opportunities here. So if we get back up above the speed lines, above this 25,500, then we'll reevaluate if we're going to be back off to the longs, and I'll shoot you another video and let you know about that as well. So, but hopefully that gives you an idea, a couple of the key areas now, what I'm looking for. Will the support hold here between these two key areas? Will there be trading opportunities for at least 300 points still to the downside? In the meantime, kind of like you're taking advantage of short side opportunities here today with multiple contracts I was trading, and until we got to that key support, then I just completely went dark. Didn't start going down to small contract trading, one contract trading. I just stopped. Right, because the probabilities were great when we were above this or below this level and above this level, and then below this level but above this level. After that, there was nothing else to do there from my perspective, and that continues to be the case since we first hit that a while ago, earlier today. All right, so I wanted to give you that update there. I hope you guys are doing phenomenal and look forward to giving you more videos in the days to come here. Have a great rest of your evening. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.